Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through with my third assignment of the IBD. So in this assignment, we have to create one Google function. So in this function, basically we have to process with a TXT file and we have to print the longest line in the TXT file. So for that, to achieve this problem, I let's see what's the approach. So the first approach is basically we have to create one Google Cloud storage bucket. So in this bucket, as we upload this input.txt file, at the same time, this should be trigger this cloud function. And this function will basically give one result out input file. And in this file, it will be print the longest line of this input.txt. So this is the approach. Now let's move on our cloud platform to do this. So for that, let's go on our Google Cloud, and at this left corner, you will see here the Google Cloud storage. Go inside the buckets. So in the buckets, I have already created one bucket file, which where I will be uploading my txt file. So this is the txt file. Sorry, this is the bucket where I will be uploading my txt file to trigger the our function. So now let's move to creating our function. So for that, I'll just type here cloud function, sorry, functions. Here you see cloud run functions. Just click on that and go in services. Inside services, you see the write function button. Click on write function. Here, give your name, for example, GA3. Then here you have to choose your runtime. I'm going to choose Python. Then I'm going to allow it for the public access. I just wanted to do that. And now here you see the trigger button. Once you click on trigger, you have to choose the cloud storage trigger so that whenever we'll be uploading our txt file, it will directly trigger to our function. Click on that and then, okay, we have to wait for some time. Now here, as you see, it's already selected the default value. Just keep it same. And in bucket, you have to click, choose your bucket and select. So I have already created one function. So let's explore that. So in this function, as you see, after deploying that function, okay, from when you click on this create button, it will look like this. And on this function, you will see this source button here, main.py. So in this main.py, you have to write your logic. So I have already written the logic here. In this logic, you see here I have initialized my Google Cloud storage. Then we have add annotation here to trigger the function whenever we upload our txt file. Then here I'm preventing this file so that it will just prevent the loop. For the basically whenever it generates the result input at txt file, again it will detect txt file, so it will again create another file. So that's why we need to add here one condition. So for that, I have written here all the logic to check the all longest line in the input.txt. Then in observability, when you go in logs, here you can see the logs, whatever we are doing. So let's try to uploading one txt file inside our bucket. So I'll just go here, upload file. I'll choose one input.txt file. See, as I See, as I uploaded here, you see the result input.txt. So when I click on input.txt, see this was these lines what I had in my input.txt. Now let's go check the result.txt. So in result, when you click on that, you see This is the one line which I have already, I mean, which one is the longest, and here it is also printing the max length. Now you go here and see in the logs. So when you see the logs, you see here, this is processing the, okay, test.txt. Okay, I think we need to refresh it. So it is loading. Okay. Now you see here, it is processing the input.txt from the bucket. Then it is printing this maximum length 109 characters, then one. So let's try uploading one more file where I have two longest line. So let's see how it is performing for that. So I go here, again I'll click on this. I'll upload one file, test.txt. Now if you see one result text.txt generated. So when I click on this, you'll see here two lines are there, which is with the same length. So it is maximum length, it is 66, and these two lines are longest line. So now if you go here and see in the output, sorry, logs, we need to load. It is loading. Now you see it is processed the test.txt file, then number of lines is length of 2. So this is the printing here. And now you see, if you see in the code, so I have used logging to print the loggers inside this. So this was the overall project, sorry, assignment. And while doing this assignment, I got one error. Like when I click on this triggered button, so there was no trigger set. Like when we tried to add trigger from here for the first time, it gave me some error, some permission error. So to fix that error, I went to uh, IAM. I'll just go in IAM. And I assigned this publisher and subscriber publisher role to this user. So after that, I didn't get that error and it is printing fine. So after doing this assignment, my learning was to basically how can I create a cloud run or cloud functions, and how I can trigger from inside the Google Cloud, like how I trigger the Google Cloud storage to this function. So this was the my learning. Thank you.